Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Odyssey with me. I am Rakim Hussain. 2 days I again came back in front of you after 2 days to practice my speaking because it's very important for me to practice every day, and because making videos is important for me to develop my confidence. So that's why I again came back. Today I am going to share with you my daily activities, what kind of activities I do in every day. Okay, let's begin. Every day I get up early in the morning at 5:30 a.m. because getting up early in the morning is important for our body, and if you sleep more during the morning, it will reduce your body and health issue will be developed. So I try to walk in the morning every day because by walking you can develop your power in morning time, because wake up early in the morning but you don't work, you cannot get any kind of fresh air, because that time is still lots of fresh air. Whenever you go outside you can fresh air you get. So this fresh air is important, and lots of people walking in that time, so you can walk outside too. After coming I try to study, because study every day, study it's crucial for me, and because I am English learner, that's why I am every day studying and how to develop more in my English fluency, and also how to develop confidence and how to talk with confidently in front of everyone. So it's important. And after 2 hours I take the breakfast, and then again I try to study. So this type of things every day I do. And in the noon time, after having lunch, I try to some slightly nap, because if you don't sleep in the morning, your sleep is calm in the noon time, so you can slightly nap in the after having lunch. So I 1 hour or 2 hour I sleep, then I again wake up, then I try to memorize some vocabulary, because and it is important to memorize some vocabulary, and I try use the word in my sentence, and then I try to listen to foreigners every day, because and I shadow them to improve my fluency. So this type of things every day I do, which is very important every day. Okay, so you can do everything which is very important for your English speaking. Okay,